Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to sign up to Temu, but first I wanted to tell you that don't forget to subscribe, because at 100,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how you can make money online. So let's jump into it. First open the app, and now if you are on the home page you have to click on the U option, which is your profile on the bottom of the screen, and now you should see at the top sign in and register. And here you can sign in just typing in your email or phone number, or you can continue with Google, Facebook, Twitter and Apple. And I'm going to use my Google account in order to sign in. And now we are in. Here you can enter the mobile phone number you would like to associate with your account below. You can type in your mobile number, or you can click a not now option and you can do it later on. So if you sign up or register to Temu, you will have some additional features or options. For example, you can track your order, or you can review or browse your history. You can earn credits and free gifts and so on. So if you are someone who wants to use Temu not just once but wants to shop usually from this site, then I suggest you to sign up, because in this way you will have some extra features and options which are really great. So I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please